Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to set up Bloombot for AFK meme coin snipping so you can automatically buy tokens the moment they migrate. Let's get started. Step 1 is to open Bloombot and set up your task. Open Bloombot on your PC, delete any old task you need to keep things clean. Copy the contract address or the CA of the token you want to snipe. Step 2 is to create a new snipping task. First is to click on New Task and select Snipper Mode. Paste the contract address you copied earlier. Set your buy amount. This is the amount of token you want to purchase. Choose the wallet you'll be buying from. Step 3 is to adjust fees and slippage. Higher fees increase your chances of getting filled first. If another buyer has higher gas tip, they might buy before you. Set your slippage tolerance. It should be 50 to 100% to avoid failed transactions. Step 4 is to enable MEV protection. This is just optional. If you're making trades over $100, it's recommended to enable MEV protections. This prevents bots from front-running your transactions. Step 5 is to start the task. Once your settings are configured, click Start Task. The bot will now monitor the token's status. As soon as the token migrates, Bloombot will automatically buy it for you. And that's it. You've successfully set up Bloombot for AFK meme coin snipping. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.